Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Previous class, I think previous class we finished two problems. This was the last one, right? Square root of sin x using the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Next. Evaluate integral from 0 to 1 e power minus x square dx by applying Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay. Integral from 0 to 1 e power minus x square into dx by applying the Simpson's 1/3 rule, taking h is equal to 0.1. You need not determine h. H is specified. H is equal to 0.1 and the method is Simpson's 1/3 rule. First, let's mark what is y. Here y is equal to e power minus x square. Y are f of x. In either way, you can write that. Y r f of x is equal to e power minus x. Now start with the lower limit, that is 0. This is the first value which is attained by x. Go on adding h each time. 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1. 0.1 plus again 0.1 is 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.1 is 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. 0.9 plus 0.1 is 1. That is upper limit. As you reach upper limit, stop the process. Now find the corresponding values of y. When x is equal to 0, this will be e power 0, and we know that e power 0 is 1. Similarly, when x is equal to 0.1, you calculate this. I do not have calculator. You calculate this. E power minus into 0.1 whole square. You calculate this, unmute yourself and tell me.
0.99.
0.99, that is correct. Next, when x is equal to 0.2.
0.96.
0.96. Here 0.9900, right? Right up to 4 decimal places. 0.9607. Next, x is equal to 0.3. What is y?
0.9139.
0.9139. That's right. Next, x is equal to 0.4.
0.8521.
0.8521, right? Next, x is equal to 0.5.
0.7788.
0.7788. Next, 0.6.
0.6976.
0.6976. Okay. Next, x is equal to 0.7.
0.6126.
0.6126. Right. 0.8. X is equal to 0.8.
0.5272.
0.5272. Correct. Next, 0.9.
0.3448.
0.3448. Right. Next, x is equal to 1.
0.367.
0.3678. Okay. Now we use a Simpson's 1/3 rule, which is given by I is equal to h by 3 into y naught plus yn. Y naught is first ordinate, yn is last ordinate. y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is y10. Therefore, y naught plus y10 plus 4 times the ordinates, odd numbered ordinates. How many such ordinates are there between y naught and y10? Odd numbered ordinates. y1, y3, y5, y7 and y9 plus 2 times even numbered ordinates between y naught and y10. Y naught is substituted, y10 is substituted. You need not consider it again. y2 plus y4, y6 plus y8. y10 is already substituted here. You need not consider it again. Substitute all the values. You have all the values. Substitute, simplify.
0.7460.
0.746. What is the fourth decimal place?
60.
I got it 0.7468, but 0.746 anything is okay. But you write up to 4 decimal places. But in third semester and fourth semester also, there are many numerical methods are involved in this syllabus. You have to write each answer up to 4 decimal places. 3 places are expected to be correct and fourth may be anything. 0.7467, 0.7468, 69. Is this clear? Next one. Evaluate integral from 0 to 1 x square divided by 1 plus x cube into dx by applying Simpson's 1/3 rule with 7 ordinates and hence reduce an approximate value of log 2 base e. Simpson's 1/3 rule. What is n here? What is n? Can you hear? 7 ordinates means n is equal to 6. See, numerical integration is like this. This is y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to x. 7 ordinates. I read 7 ordinates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ordinates. How many parts are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? If 7 ordinates are there, n is equal to 6. If 11 ordinates are there, you take n is equal to 10. If 5 ordinates are there, you take n is equal to 4, like that. 7 ordinates means n is equal to 6. H is equal to b minus a divided by n. Here b is 1 upper limit, minus a is 0 divided by n is 6. 1 by 6. Now we tabulate the values. Start with the lower limit, that is 0. Go on adding h each time. 0 plus 1 by 6 is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 4 by 6. 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is 1. This is upper limit. Stop. And y is equal to x square divided by 1 plus x cube. This is y. Y is equal to x square divided by 1 plus x cube. When x is equal to 0, 0 divided by any finite quantity is 0. This will be 0 by 1 and 0 by 1 is 1. When x is equal to 1 by 6, you do it. Put x is equal to 1 by 6 and simplify.
Zero point zero two seven six.
Yes, 0.0276. Right. Let's put x is equal to 2 by 6 or 1 by 3.
0.1071.
0.1071. That's right. Next, 3 by 6 or 1 by 2.
Point 2222.
Yes, 0.2222. Next, 4 by 6 or 2 by 3.
Point 3428.
3428.
Yes, 0.3428. That's correct answer. Next, 5 by 6. Point 4398. Yes, 0.4398. Next, last, x is equal to 1. You get half or 0.5. Now we use Simpson's 1/3 rule, which is given by h by 3 into y0 plus yn. This is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. y0 plus yn is y6 plus 4 times the ordinates, odd numbered ordinates. How many such ordinates are there between y0 and y6? y1 is there, y3 plus y5 plus 2 times even ordinates between y0 and y6, y2, y4. y6 is already considered. You need not write it again. You have all the values, just substitute, simplify.
Point 2310.
0.2310. That's right. 0.2310. This is first part of the problem. And hence deduce an approximate value of log 2. This is to be determined now. It's given that I is equal to integral from 0 to 1 x square divided by 1 plus x cube into dx. How do you approach this integration? We actually perform the integration now. How do you integrate this? By taking this substitution. What is the suitable substitution? 1 plus x cube is equal to t, correct? Now differentiate both sides. The derivative of 1 plus x cube is 3x square into dx is equal to dt. As x tends to 0, change the limits. As x tends to lower limit, that is 0. As x tends to 0, t tends to 1. As x tends to upper limit, that is 1. T tends to 1 cube is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now the integration is I is equal to integral. Now the limits are from 1 to 2. X square into dx and x square into dx is dt divided by 3. Dt divided by 3. Keep this 1 by 3 outside. Whole divided by 1 plus x cube, and 1 plus x cube is denoted by t. Therefore, 1 by 3 into integral of 1 by t is log t. Limits from 1 to 2 is equal to I, and we just obtained I is equal to 0.2310. 0.2310. Now substitute the limits. Therefore, 1 by 3 into upper limit. Put t is equal to 2. You get log 2. Minus lower limit. Put t is equal to 1. You get log 1, and log 1 is always 0. This is after the application of both upper and lower limit. This is equal to 0.2310. 0.2310. Therefore, log 2 is equal to log 2 means log 2 base is equal to 0.2310 into 3. That is 0.6930. This is what we required. So please make a note of this. Next one. Evaluate integral from 0 to 0.3. Evaluate integral from 0 to 0.3. 1 minus 8x cube 1 minus 8x cube whole power 3 by 2 into dx by applying Simpson's 3-8 rule. By applying Simpson's 3-8 rule with 7 ordinates. With 7 ordinates. Simpson's 3-8 rule is to be applied. And what is the value of n? 7 ordinates are there. Then what is n? N is equal to 6. First we calculate h, which is given by b minus a divided by n. Here b is 0.3 minus a is 0 divided by n is 6. This is equal to 0.05, right? H is equal to 0.05 and y is equal to yrf of x is equal to 1 minus 8x cube whole power 3 by 2. Now let's tabulate the values x and y. Y means 1 minus 8x cube whole power 3 by 2. First we tabulate the values of x starting with lower limit. Lower limit is 0. Go on adding h each time. 0 plus 0.05 is 0.05. 0.05 plus 0.05 is 0.1. 0.1 plus 0.05 is 0.15. 0.15 plus 0.05 is 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.05 is 0.25. 0.25 plus 0.05 is 0.3. This is upper limit, so stop here. Now find the corresponding values of y. When x is equal to 0, this will be 0. 8x cube will be 0. You get 1 power 3 by 2, that is 1. When x is equal to 0.05.
0.9985.
That's right, 0.9985. Next, x is equal to 0.1. Now you can mark your attendance.
Five. 0.9880.
0.9880. Next, x is equal to 0.15.
0.9597.
0.9597. 0.2.
0.9055.
0.9055.
0.9055. Okay, double five. 0.25.
0.8184.
Yes, 0.8184. Next, 0.3.
0.6941.
0.6941. Fine. Now we write the formula. I is equal to 3h by 8. Simpson's 3h by 8 into y naught plus yn. Y naught plus yn is y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Y naught plus yn plus 3 times the ordinates which are not multiples of 3. How many such ordinates are there between y1 and y6? Oh, sorry, y0 and y6, which are not multiples of 3? y1, y2, y4, y5 plus 2 times the ordinates which are multiples of 3 between y0 and y6. That is y3 only. Y6 is already written here. You need not take it again. Now we have all the values, just substitute, simplify.
.2764.
0.2764. Point 2764. So please make a note of this. One more. Integral from 0 to pi by 2. Square root of cos theta into d theta. Square root of cos theta into d theta by applying Simpson's 1/3 rule. By applying Simpson's 1/3 rule. Taking 8 equal parts. That means n is equal to 8. Taking 8 equal parts or 8 equal strips. By taking 8 equal parts or 8 equal strips. Simpson's 1/3 rule. And n 8 equal part means n is equal to 8 and 8 is a multiple of 2. Therefore, we can use Simpson's 1/3 rule. If n is a multiple of 3, we can use 3/8 rule, but here 8 is not a multiple of 3, we cannot use. If n is a multiple of 6, we can use Weddell's rule, but 8 is not a multiple of 6, we cannot use Weddell's rules too. Therefore, only Simpson's 1/3 rule can be applied here. H. H is given by b minus a divided by n. Here b is pi by 2 minus a is 0 divided by n is 8. Therefore, this is equal to pi divided by 16. Tabulate the values x and y. Here y is square root of cos theta. Theta is in radians. Set your calculator to radian mode. Start with the lower limit 0. Go on adding h each time. 0 plus pi by 16 is pi by 16. Pi by 16 plus pi by 16 is 2 pi by 16. 2 pi by 16. Two pi by 16 plus pi by 16 is 3 pi by 16. Next 4 pi by 16. 5 pi by 16. 6 pi by 16. 7 pi by 16. 8 pi by 16. 8 pi by 16 means pi by 2, that is upper limit. Stop here. Now go on finding corresponding to 0, corresponding to pi by 16 and etc. Corresponding to 0, cos 0 is 1 and square root of 1 is 1. We have less than 2 minutes left. We first mark the final answer and then find the values of y. 1.1915 will be the answer. You note down this answer first and then complete the table. When x is equal to 0, 1. When x is equal to pi by 16, y will be
Point 0624.
0624. No. You set your calculator to radian mode first.